Hello! Finally, we have a new Masterclass Sales Simulation Seminar. This is something special, a 3-hour online seminar that focuses on real client scenarios, real world, real sales, applications, practices. This is purely for salespeople, system integrators, system installers, to end users. Ano ang difference nito sa Masterclass 1 and the in-depth sessions 2? Sa Masterclass 1, more on business strategies and costing. Dito po, pang-ahente. Mag-i-start ho tayo sa isa sa pinaka-challenging cold callings and business development hanggang sa negotiation, closing. We would like to invite you on May 9, 5:30 p.m. This is Bert Joseph. Thank you. Asahan ko kayo.